Welcome back to X Car. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW X9, a stunning SUV that redefines luxury and performance. This flagship model from BMW brings bold changes to the brand's already impressive lineup, but today we're focusing solely on its exterior, breaking down its design, performance, and features to understand what makes it truly special. So, let's take a closer look at the BMW X9 2025 and see why it's causing such a stir in the automotive world. The first thing that strikes you about the BMW X9 is its sheer presence. This SUV is massive, with a bold, muscular stance that commands attention. At nearly 5 meters long, it's a true road giant, with an aggressive front end that exudes confidence. One of the standout features is the signature kidney grille, which is larger than ever. It stretches across the front fascia and gives the X9 an unmistakable face. The grille is flanked by sleek, narrow LED headlights, which add a futuristic touch. These lights are sharp, precise, and give the vehicle a high-tech feel. Moving down the sides of the X9, you'll notice the sleek and sculpted bodywork. BMW has employed bold lines that enhance the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. While the X9 has a larger body than previous BMW SUVs, it doesn't feel bloated. The design is fluid and refined, with flowing contours and subtle curves. The bodywork is complemented by massive 22-inch wheels. The rims are designed to balance style and performance, giving the X9 a robust look without sacrificing elegance. One of the key design elements that set the X9 apart is its rear end. The taillights are sleek and futuristic. They're connected by a thin strip of lighting, creating a seamless look that extends across the width of the vehicle. This design feature gives the rear of the car an expansive, wide stance, adding to its imposing presence. BMW has also introduced an integrated spoiler and an aggressive diffuser, both of which improve the car's aerodynamics and performance at high speeds. The exterior of the X9 is not just about looks, though, it's also about performance. The car is built on BMW's new CLAR platform, which is designed to be lighter and more rigid. This platform allows for better handling and performance, with a focus on reducing body roll, even in tight corners. The suspension is adaptive, offering a smooth ride in urban environments, while also ensuring that the X9 remains agile on the highway. Another important feature of the X9's exterior is its cutting-edge technology. The SUV is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including active cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features are integrated into the exterior design in a seamless manner, with sensors and cameras placed discreetly within the bodywork, giving the vehicle a clean, uncluttered appearance. Let's talk about the materials used in the construction of the BMW X9 2025. BMW has gone above and beyond to ensure the exterior of this car is as durable as it is stylish. The body is constructed using a mix of aluminum, high-strength steel, and carbon fiber, which not only reduces the overall weight of the SUV but also enhances its structural integrity. This means better handling, quicker acceleration, and improved fuel efficiency, all without compromising on safety or luxury. BMW has also embraced the future with the X9's exterior colors, offering a wide range of new, exclusive paint options, from deep metallic shades to matte finishes. There's something for everyone. Whether you prefer a more understated look or want to make a bold statement, the color options complement the SUV's dynamic design and make it stand out even more. The exterior design of the BMW X9 2025 doesn't just aim for luxury, it also targets performance and efficiency. Every curve, every angle, every feature is designed with precision, making sure this car delivers on all fronts. Whether you're behind the wheel or simply admiring it from afar, the X9 commands attention and sets new standards for what a luxury SUV should be. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW X9 represents the future of luxury SUVs. With its aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and superior performance, its exterior alone is enough to leave a lasting impression, and we can't wait to see how this SUV performs on the road. Stay tuned for more reviews and breakdowns of the BMW X9 2025 right here on X Car. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest updates.